To set song as ringtone on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here you'll have to go into the sounds and vibration and then scroll down and you will be able to find the phone ringtone for SIM 1 and SIM 2. From here select for which SIM you'd like to change your ringtone as a song. I will select the SIM number 2 and from now simply scroll all the way down and here you have this button to add ringtone, so tap on this one and you will be able to find any song that you have downloaded for this ringtone. So I currently have this song right here. Tap on this one and now as I go all the way to the top, right here I can find that there is this song available. So simply select this one and just leave this menu, and here you can see that this phone ringtone for the SIM number 2 is currently selected. This song right here we have selected as the SIM number 2 ringtone. So that's simply how you can do this.